What's the best way to describe these? Juicy?
My name is Ryuk.
The first thing we'll do is protect our eyebrows from the gelatin we are going to use later with a non-toxic washable glue stick. I'm covering my head with a saline wrap. You can use a ball cap if you have one. Now we are going to build the basic face structure of Ryuk. So I'm just going to be following the same steps throughout the video, so just listen this once, okay? Apply a layer of gelatin where you want to stick the cotton. Then I'll stick as much cotton I want to stick on my face, kind of shape it a bit, and then if you want to shape it even better, like if you want to shape the nose, apply more gelatin and then just shape it the way you want. I would suggest applying a layer of tissue paper over it to make the surface look very smooth and also give it some structural integrity. So the point is, I'm not going to be blabbering throughout the video. You can just observe and follow along. I'm sketching out the smile. It will give me an idea of how to and where to place the nose and the lower jaw. I'm using skin tape to just flatten out the whole thing. Also, if you're using skin tape, it will actually help support the whole thing. Also, if you just use cotton and gelatin, it will take a lot of work to build up to that thickness, and also the whole thing would be too heavy and there are chances that it may fall off. So make the base layer with just cotton and stick skin tape on top of it so that the height remains. And then if you want to shape and smoothen the surface, you can add a layer of cotton again on the top of the skin tape and then apply a layer of gelatin. So you'll get to that height a lot quicker. So yeah. I use 1:1:1 ratio of glycerin, water and gelatin. The areas which are not raised, just apply a layer of cotton and gelatin on it and just kind of blend it with the raised areas. I would suggest doing that and not leaving the areas vacant or without any gelatin and cotton. I guess in my opinion it makes it look more blended and cohesive. So yeah. I'll add layers of cotton and gelatin to either shape something or make it look more smooth or blended, or to just give it more height, depends. One more tip, if you want to really shape something out or just make those crevices more prominent or make more sharper edges, just apply a lot of gelatin on the top of your cotton and it will be easier to shape the cotton that way. I'm using toilet paper. You can use tissue paper if you have, and just put a layer of tissue paper to smoothen the whole surface out, give it a more cohesive look, and then apply a layer of gelatin on the top of it. Now I'll just keep adding cotton and layers of tissue paper and gelatin to just give it the shape I want. Always keep a reference picture in front of you while doing this. I haven't included how to make the accessories and the costume, so if you want a video on that, comment down below. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We are on our way to 500 subscribers, and check out other videos in this series if you haven't yet. Actually, Ryuk's nose is very small, so I'm cutting off some cotton off the nose. So we are done with the most tedious job, and yeah, we are going to let it dry and I'll see you later. This is a piece of box board. I'm just attaching it to my neck using cotton and gelatin. Let it dry and then apply a layer of tissue paper all over the box board. While the neck piece dries, we are going to paint the whole thing white, and we are going to be painting Ryuk's mouth And the nostrils black. Don't paint black inside the eyes because anyway we are going to be having eyeballs over it. I have a reference picture in front of me all this time and I am using that to paint the parts around the eyes and also the lips. Now using a black eyeshadow, I am just adding some shadows and some detailing, and we are going to leave the raised areas as it is. Just apply a little light brush of black eyeshadow, if you will. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Going to do the same for the neck piece and I'll be darkening a lot of it later. As you can see, I added layers of eyeshadow later off camera using cut up acrylic nails as teeth. I'll do the lower set of teeth off camera and be back. Ryuk's outfit is actually pinned to his skin, so we are going to achieve that effect by applying silver tape. I have used black tape and painting silver over it, and I'm just going to hot glue the frayed ends to the neck piece, and this is how it looks. I'll wear the whole costume and be right back.
Anyone who touches the Death Note can see me. I have to stay till the Death Note is finished, or I see you die, whichever comes first.
Did you just watch the whole video? What are you doing with your life? Well, anyway, do subscribe, hit the bell, and here are some videos that I think you might like, so go check them out.